Welcome to the channel. Today we're making this delicious native soup, and this soup happens to be my favorite. And it reminds me about my mom. My mom would always make this soup for us growing up, so I love this soup. And please kindly subscribe to my channel. I post relatable food content. Please, let's get started. So I have Uziza leaf here. I have beef here. You can use whatever, but beef is always good for native soup. So I have stockfish here. I have crayfish, prawns, which is optional by the way. Shredded dry fish. This is not optional. You need to use it. Periwinkles, yellow peppers, cocoyam, and more. So right now I have to boil my meat first. So I went in with salt and chicken cubes and black pepper. When you're cooking your soups, you do not need curry, you don't need thyme, those things. You don't even need onion. Just salt and maggi is okay is okay. So right now I'm going to be blending my cocoyam. I boiled it until it's very soft, and I'm blending it. So you have to blend this until it's thoroughly smooth, just like the way I have it right here. Yes. So I'm going to be adding our cow skin, also known as pomo, the shredded dry fish, the dry fish. So this is a catfish which is dried, and this is the stockfish, also known as okoroko. We call it okoroko over here. So I'm going to add enough water because I want it to boil. So I'm adding palm oil. Just add as much palm oil as you need, but honestly you do not need too much. Just small palm oil is okay. So I'm adding crayfish, lots of crayfish, lots. Yeah, I'm adding the yellow peppers, and I will adding shrimp at this point. So I'm going to allow this to boil. I added more water, so we'll allow this to cook for a while. So right now it's boiling. I'm going to be adding periwinkle. I like to add it now because periwinkle can get lost, so you do not add the periwinkle on time. This is the point that is best. So right now I'm going to be adding the cocoyam. So I don't have any measurement for this cocoyam. I just eyeballed it. So just add this cocoyam, but please reduce the heat of the pot so that the cocoyam can melt accordingly. So after a while I added the Uziza leaf. I added a lot. I love Uziza leaves, but if you're not a fan of it, you can just add small, but I just love it. I love adding a lot. You see now, look at our soup. It's already looking delicious. I told you this is a very simple soup to make, and it's really really delicious, very delicious. Thank you for those who have subscribed to my channel. My channel is new, and I am grateful to you all who have subscribed to my channel. And thank you so much for those who has dropped comments, who has liked any of my video, who has watched to the end. Thank you very much. I truly appreciate.